Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here water is given. You have to find hybridization and shape of it. Here to find the hybridization, you should know steric number. For steric number formula, V plus B minus C whole divided by 2. So if you substitute V, which is valency of oxygen is 6 and bonded atom is 2, then the steric number is 4. You should find the lone pair too. Lone pair, if you find it, H minus B gives 2. So H4 means sp3 hybridization with lone pair mean 2 lone pair away from each other leads to the bent structure. You can observe easily bent structure by the 3D formula. So you should know the fact that H4 means tetrahedral with 2 lone pair mean you have V shape. Here we don't count the electron because electrons are small. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.